Thinking about selling your land in California and wondering if you really need a realtor? The truth is, you can sell your land yourself and save thousands of dollars in commissions, all while keeping full control of the process. Here's how you can do it, step by step. First, research your local market buy and set the right price. Look at recent sales of similar land in your area, consider your lot size and location, and make sure you understand the zoning rules. Pricing your property based on solid data, not just what you hope to get, will attract serious buyers and help your land sell faster. Next, get your land in front of the right buyers by listing it on the MLS. The MLS is where most investors and serious buyers search for land. And with a flat-fee MLS service like ListLean, you can get your property listed on the MLS, Zillow, Redfin, Realtor.com, and hundreds of other sites without paying a full agent commission. When you create your listing, make sure your description answers key questions. What's the lot size? How is the land zoned? Are utilities available? Is there road access? Clear, detailed information helps buyers see the potential of your property. Don't forget to include high-quality photos, even drone shots if you can. Good visuals help your listing stand out and attract more interest. After you've listed your land, market it on land-specific websites and social media groups for investors. Consider offering seller financing to appeal to a wider range of buyers. When buyers reach out, be ready to answer questions, negotiate offers, and decide on terms. And when it's time to close, work with the title company to handle the paperwork and ensure a smooth, secure transaction. Ready to get started? Visit listlean.com to learn more and start your FSBO journey today.